Hello, good afternoon. This is David Sutter talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Thursday, October 22nd, 2020. And I got a really good signal for you today, and that's for GBPCAD, okay? And if we look right here on the 4-hour chart, we see the price is already dropping, okay? We got a very strong signal to sell, right? And I waited a while to make this video because I wanted to see what was going to happen, okay? Now, we see the price has been dropping quite a bit right here, okay? And that's excellent. And it's going to continue to drop, but right now we see it hitting some support and it's starting to bob up and down. Now if we drop to a smaller time frame, okay, let's go down to a 30-minute or 15-minute. Okay, 15-minute, we have an up arrow, okay, meaning that it's probably going to retrace and come back up a ways and then drop again in a few hours. So we're looking at like the next couple hours for it to go back up and then drop again. So we do not want to sell right away. Okay, what we want to do is place a pending order. Okay, in this case we're going to put a sell limit pending order up above, so when the price retraces and comes back up, we will catch that trade, and this way we can maximize our profits. Okay, now how we do this is pretty simple. Okay, right here on the 15-minute chart, okay, we have a red arrow and a blue arrow, so I'm going to mark both of those using a horizontal line. I'm going to come here, I'm going to mark that resistance, and I'm going to mark the support. Okay, now if I zoom out, maybe you can see this a little clearer. What I predict the price to do is not go all the way back up to here. Okay, we have a resistance here and support here. Okay, so what we're looking for is the price to go back up to probably this support and resistance right in here. Okay, I'm just going to mark that right there. Okay, we have a resistance here and support here. Okay, so that's a strong level of support and resistance. I think it could go up further, but I think the price will go up to at least right here, if not further. So what we want to do is put a sell limit pending order just slightly below this blue line. That way we can ensure that the sell trade will be activated when it retraces and goes back up. So all we have to do is go to new order right here and go to pending order. Okay, change from market execution to pending order right here, and then select sell limit, and we're going to put in a pending order at 1.72450. Oops, 1.72450. Okay, and take profit. I'm going to put probably, really you don't have to use a take profit, but I'm going to use take profit anyways just for this demonstration. I'm going to put a take profit at 1.7, probably about where the price is now. This is making 1.72 even. Okay, and see here, this is the pending order, and then here's the take profit. Okay, and I just use that tick mark right there. I probably could lower this slightly, but it doesn't really matter. Either way, you're looking at about 400 pips in profit. Okay, that's really, really good. Now, considering this is a GBP pair, you get a lot of pips, get a maximum amount of profit out of the Great British Pound. That's why I really like trading the GBP. So anyhow, okay, so now you got a limit order, so when the price retraces and comes back up. Now there is no guarantee that the price will in fact go back up. It could keep dropping. Okay, it's very possible. So what we want to do in addition is put a sell stop pending order below this blue line. Okay, with another take profit. All right, now if the price drops below this line, which it will eventually, it's going to drop to another support. Okay, so all we have to do is look at a previous resistance that has been broken and is now a support, and it's very, very simple. We have a red line right here, so we can mark that as our resistance. Okay, and we see here, in fact, there was a resistance here, multiple places there was support and resistance. So that's a pretty good marker right there anyhow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a sell stop below here. Okay, I'm gonna put this at 1.71 700. Okay, I can always readjust this, and then take profit. I'm gonna put it at 1.72. Oh, sorry, 1.71. What did I say? Oh, sorry. At price is 1.71 700. Okay, I'm stuck on the 72 for some reason. All right, and take profit. I'm gonna put it at 1.71 300. That should give me 400 pips in total profit. Okay, as you can see here, 400 pips in total profit. So again, we're looking at about 400 pips here, 400 pips there. So that's about over 800 pips in total profit. All right, excellent setup right here. And these, I like this type of trading, this type of format, because the trades will open and close fairly quickly. Now, if you want, like I said, you do not have to use a take profit. Okay, you can set these pending orders only with no take profit, and then put your charts on a 1 hour time frame and just wait for the next blue arrow to form. Okay, and when you get the next blue arrow, which would probably be down here somewhere, then you can close it. Okay, now keep in mind your trades might be open for a couple of days. All right, and you might incur some swap fees, and that's perfectly fine. That's totally up to you. Okay, my goal is to try to reduce or eliminate swap fees if at all possible. All right, so anyhow, this is my free daily signal. GBPCAD is a sell. You can do pending orders like this, or you can just place a sell trade right now and just leave it. Okay, because it's definitely going to be dropping. So either way, let me know how you trade the signal, or let me know if you have any questions or comments. Feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. I put a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook. You can contact me there first. Also, there is a link for my private Facebook group, and you can request to join my Facebook group. Post any questions or comments in my Facebook group. This way, myself or other traders, we can assist you and we can collaborate as a team. All right, so I hope you enjoyed. Let me know how I can help you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.